LG 48-inch class OLED Evo AI 4K keeps popping up everywhere. I grabbed one. Here's my unfiltered take. Let me tell you, this TV is like a breath of fresh air in an industry plagued by subpar picture quality and unnecessary features. The first thing that impresses me about the LG OLED Evo C6 series is its brightness booster. Powered by the A11 AI processor Gen 3, it's like having a personal light technician adjusting your viewing experience on the fly. Now, I know some of you might be thinking, what does this mean in real-world terms? Well, let me tell you, with the brightness booster, dark rooms aren't as dark anymore. You can actually see what's happening outside when it's nighttime without feeling like you're staring at a black screen. Another game changer is the 8.3 million self-lit smart pixels that make up this TV. It sounds like a lot, but trust me, it makes all the difference in terms of contrast and color accuracy. The result? Infinite detail and vibrant visuals that'll keep you hooked for hours on end. Here's who needs this TV: anyone looking to upgrade their home entertainment experience without breaking the bank. If you're a movie buff or a gamer, you'll love the immersive experience offered by Dolby Vision, Dolby Atmos, and the perfect black and color technology. And if you've got an Alexa device, you're already halfway there with smart control. Now, I'm not going to sugarcoat it. This TV does have its blind spots. One thing that's left me underwhelmed is the lack of 4K resolution at certain brightness levels. For those who want absolute picture quality regardless of ambient light, this might be a deal breaker. In conclusion, if you're in the market for a new TV and value picture quality above all else, buy it. The LG OLED Evo C6 series is the real deal. Subscribe. New review every week. No padding, no paid opinions. Then the Amazon link is right below. Until next time.